Okay guys, hopefully you can hear me okay here. So this is going to be a quick video. I'm uploading a video here, and this is mainly about VidIQ. So we're doing a full screen video here. And some people are in Will's Saturday night stream were asking what VidIQ was. VidIQ is an extension to Google. It works best with the older versions, and it'll put this little tab right here at the top. It gives you a little bit of information. You can go down here and you can see how many hours you've watched, or had watched on your channel, in the last 12 months. This is a rotating number. So a year from this date, a year from February in 2020, I will lose these hours. Hold on. I'll turn this off. Silly air conditioner. Always on when you don't want it, right? This will tell you how many views you've had in the last hour. I've had one. Excuse me. How many people have viewed you in the last 48 hours? 55. This gives you information you need to help you manage your channel. But this isn't all VidIQ does. Go back down here, scroll down, and here, if you've uploaded VidIQ and authorized your channel on it, it gives you a best time to overall upload videos and put them public on your channel. For me, my peak is between 6 and 8 p.m. overall, and you can even go to which days. Mondays, and as you can see, for me, my peak is 6 p.m. for all days. 9 p.m. for Saturdays, and between 3 and 6 on Sundays. If you scroll further down, you'll see your VidIQ score, the checklist. These are your checklist items. Now, some of these things you're going to have to do manually, like share on Twitter, monetize. That's only going to work for monetized closed captions if you want to type them in. If you click on here, add at least an end screen, click on it, it'll take you to a new page, or it'll bring up la-di-da. Yeah, I'm sorry, my computer's acting a little flaky tonight. It'll bring you up to here. And for me, I cannot stand YouTube beta. I don't like it, but that's just me. And as you can see, it's uploading a video right now. I prefer to go to Classic Studio. But we're not going to worry about that right now, because it's going to take, there it goes. Seeing as how the video is still uploading, it's taking me to a different page. Once your video is uploaded and ready to be made public, it'll give you a chance to put your end screens, your other stuff, like your cards, your end screens in the video. And once you make it public, go on Twitter, Facebook, reply to a comment. All these things help with your analytics that actually help get your videos promoted. Now, as you can see, I'm just starting to upload this video, and I've already got 5 in the tag count, 3 in the tag volume, no keywords. It's because I haven't put nothing there yet. Bag basics. What I've got on my channel is got a bunch of preset words that I've got in my tags. And there are videos that show you how to put stuff in tags. If you don't have anything in tags, you'll get a blank box here. And then you just start typing in stuff. Now, as you can see, I've only got 464 or 500. Let's say the keyword for this is bug out bag. I click on that, and through VidIQ, it'll take it a moment, it'll bring up related keywords. So I could click survival, get home bag, survival gear, and every one of these things that you click will bring up a graph here, and shows you where it's been at for the last year. Last year, that peak was in January for views on YouTube. This right here is your search volume. How many people actually search for those keywords? The competition score is how many people put percentage of how many people actually put out videos with those keywords. And overall, for just bug out bag, if I were to put that in, 62 out of 100. It's not bad. That means out of the top 100 searches, my videos should be in the first 62 somewhere. Seeing as how I've got a few other on that have reached fairly decent views, my number here will actually be higher. It'll be in the 80s probably. So in the top, be closer to the top of the 100. So you can see other videos that are similar. When you can go ahead and click gadgets. Let's see, earthquake essentials. All this stuff adds to your list, but you got to keep it under 500. So let's just ditch gadgets. And seeing as how my mouse is double clicking, and let's get rid of 19. Let's get rid of zombie apocalypse. There, 499 out of 500. That's what you want. You want this as close to 500 as possible. In your description here, you're going to want to take and let's see if we copy this. Whoops. And then we go here. And then we go up here and copy paste. And go down here. Copy paste. You do this so your title is at least 2 more times in here. That way, if you got stuff like I do, go check out Preparations Books, his YouTube channel, Titan Survival, my link to them. That way people can see that matches. Oh, they got this. Oh, right here's his info. Then you go down here and then just type in whatever you want. Nothing fancy, because I'm actually not going to keep this video up. This video is not going to be posted. Because once I'm done making this video, I'm going to delete it because it's already up on the YouTube. So, but all this stuff, as you add into that, changes your VidIQ score. And the higher your score is to 50 here, the more apt it is to be shown in a search result. So I'm actually going to cancel upload. And see, they still got the recommended tags down here. So I'm going to go and go to my YouTube beta. Yeah, a couple gaming accounts, nothing major. They were a fleeting moment in time. And again, I can't stand can't stand this new beta stuff. We'll go ahead and go to classic. And then we'll go over here to analytics. Stay on classic because I can't stand the new one. Because the new one actually removes some features that are, in my opinion, more valuable to me as a creator than what their new one does. But if I go here to my lifetime, we'll give this a second to catch up. All that stuff. I've been using VidIQ since I actually had Wolfstand OBS reviews. So I've been using it now for a little over 2 years. And it's perfectly safe. There's nothing to worry about. But as you can see, I'm not monetized. I have 260 subs, which isn't that many, in the grand scheme of things. But all of the VidIQ stuff actually helps bring all these numbers higher. Without the VidIQ, I might not have put in the right keywords to bring this one and this one the views that they've had. Okay, I mean, the knife sharpening system from Wish was one of the first videos I re-uploaded from my old channel, and it's 1,100 views. It's not a lot, but without the VidIQ, my numbers would probably be like this one, 47. Now, of course, that was a live stream. Not many people rewatch live streams once they're uploaded. They either catch it live or, well, some people just don't rewatch them. You know, and the inch bag thought exercise. You know, my 4Patriot stuff is actually fairly decent, and the Securo ones are rising slowly. And if you haven't watched my Securo video, go watch it. It's actually good information. I have an updated review coming up soon. I did get my new cameras, and I'm going to also be getting some new antennas that they've brought out for them. So be staying tuned for that. But the VidIQ will actually help you bring all these numbers higher by helping you get the keywords. And like I showed you, you type in a keyword, you know, like I said, bug out bag, click on it, it'll bring up a selection of other words that'll fit in that topic, that when those words are searched, your video has a higher probability of being focused, or featured, I mean. Excuse me, one sec, coffee drink. But anyway, I hope this helps you guys, and I got to go back sure and make sure that video didn't try and upload. But as you can see, all these right here on the side too. Let it catch back up. I should have said that a second ago. But here, you can list competitors, trending alerts, most viewed. You can do a channel audit, achievements. Some of that's good to know. Some of it's not. Just get rid of that, so we don't need it. But, you know, it doesn't help over on this side. So if you click on competitors, we'll do this. You need to add them. So I could add, say, I could add just-in-time prepping. I could add prep for it. I could add, you know, several. I don't have anybody because I'm not trying to. I'm personally not competing with anybody. Trending alerts. These are the things that YouTube think are trending. Oh wait, they've changed this. Oh, let's say I want to do a review on a buck knife, and I'm not going to pick any knife out of particular, but let's just say I can create an alert, and you can name it. You can throw in keywords, and then you can type in a threshold, frequency, so you can keep track of certain keywords, you know, like buck knives or oh, what the heck's the name of that flashlight company? Olight, that's it, Olight. You know, if you're wanting to do reviews on an Olight flashlight and you want to make sure you're one of the first ones, you know, you can do an alert for that. Most viewed. I haven't looked at some of this stuff in a long time because I personally don't use any of it. But this right here shows you what's being viewed. So this is a way of seeing what's currently trending as far as YouTube is concerned. I don't use this because 99% of this stuff is fluff. It's designed to dumb down the American populace. My personal opinion. Did I say that out loud? Oops. Channel audit. This shows you where you can actually help grow. It shows you what you need to work, what you could work on. And it shows you where top retention. I mean, a lot of this stuff is going to take time for you to understand. And one short video is not going to help. And then achievements is irrelevant. But this is just for VidIQ people who want to learn about it. And like I say, key thing is this right here constantly is updated every little bit. Or since I've talked, let's see, we're on the last, oops. Not to be moved off too fast. You got a little teeny refresh circle here. And it'll refresh this while you're looking at it. Of course, mine's not going to change. But this will help you keep track of your channel. And through the various other things for VidIQ, it shows you where you can improve. There's just a lot to it. One short video is not going to help you. There are other VidIQ videos out there. VidIQ actually has their own video series, which will help you as well. This is just for the people that were curious, and I hope this helps. So thanks for stopping by Grumpy's. We'll talk to you later. Bye.